Rod Keller MD introduces the Youthful and Fit Weight Loss Program. It's a revolutionary approach to weight loss, addressing what foods are causing you inflammation, how to improve your sleep quality, how hormones are preventing you from losing weight, the importance of a healthy digestive system, and how to manage your stress. The program is created by Cheryl Townsley, a renowned naturopath and wisdom coach. People from around the world have worked with Cheryl Townsley through her Lifestyle for Health Wellness Clinic. Hundreds of thousands have read her books, and millions have watched her on television over the last 25 years. Look at what you get with this unique program. 8 weeks of lessons, plus an additional 6 weeks keep you on track with your program. The ability to rewind the program at any time. How to find the foods that are causing you inflammation, a customized eating program, and a customized grocery list. There's also a 3-day reset plan. Understanding the basic neurology of how to reach your weight loss goals. There's also a digital cookbook with over 50 recipes included. You'll get weekly emails, access to a private Facebook group, and additional support. All of this included in your Youthful and Fit weight loss program. Sign up today. See the details below how you can save when you sign up with Rod Keller MD for the Youthful and Fit weight loss program.